everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn the words from letters U to Z along with the pronunciations and translations. So let's start from the letter U. So U is pronounced as U in French. Hopelessly that means represent. We will represent U as uniform here. Okay, so uniform is pronounced as uniform in French. With uniform, we will use the article L apostrophe. So here you can see that a apostrophe sign is with L. So whenever there is an apostrophe sign with L, we will pronounce the apostrophe in French as apostrophe. So I will say it as L apostrophe. Okay. So L apostrophe. This is also an article. It also means the. L apostrophe means the. It is also another kind of article. I will slowly explain it to you, but not right now. Okay. So L apostrophe means the. So uniform means uniform. So when I will pronounce L apostrophe and uniform both together, I will combine both of them and I will pronounce both of them as uniform. Okay, it would be uniform. Okay, that would mean the uniform. Here the is not written, but L apostrophe actually means the only. Okay, then the letter comes V. So V is pronounced as way in French. A hopeless way, that means represent. We will represent V as cow here. You can see in the picture it is showing us a cow. So cow is pronounced as wash in French. Okay, so here you can see that V is pronounced as way, and here I said that cow is pronounced as wash. Why? So again that same formula, that A is with V, so we will not pronounce V as way. We will pronounce V and A together. That would become va. So VACHE will become what? It will become wash. Okay. Yes, and with wash we will use the article la. So la wash, that means the cow. Okay, after that comes the letter W. So W is pronounced as W in French. A hopeless A, that means represent. We will represent W as a carriage here. So carriage means a car. Carriage is actually a car or a bus. Okay, anything. Then it is pronounced as wagon in French. Okay, with wagon we will use the article a. I have already told you that a means a. So a wagon, that means a carriage. Okay, so wagon, in wagon, the here this letter is not pronounced as W. It is pronounced as v. Okay, but here is no such reason behind that why I have not pronounced it as W and pronounce it as V. You just have to learn the pronunciation of carriage, that is wagon. Okay, after that comes the letter X. So X is pronounced as X in French. A hopeless A, that means represent. We will represent the letter X by a xylophone. So xylophone is pronounced as xylophone in French. Okay, why xylophone? Because X, as I have already told you, is pronounced as X. Okay, and when there is X, we will pronounce this also as X. So xylophone will be xylophone. Okay, with xylophone we will use the article and that would be as I've already told you. Here also I told you it means so xylophone, that means a xylophone. Okay, then comes the letter Y. So Y is pronounced as Y in French. A hopeless A, that means represent. So we will represent the letter Y by eyes. Okay. So eyes is pronounced as E in French. It is pronounced as E in French. Okay. So with E, we will use the article they. They is also another kind of article. It means the. So they, a, It means the eyes. Okay, but here is no such reason that why I have not pronounced the letter Y as Y and I have pronounced it as E. Okay, there is no such reason. You just have to learn the pronunciation of eyes, that is I, E, sorry, A. Okay, then comes the letter Z. So Z is pronounced as Z in French. Okay, we can call the letter Z in English as Z also and Z also. Okay, in French, Z or Z is pronounced as Z, and a represent, that means represent, we will represent the letter Z or Z anything as zebra. So zebra is pronounced as zebhe in French. Zebhe, we will use the article on with the zebhe. Okay, on zebhe, that means a zebra. Okay. So this was all in today's class. We have completed all the letters from A to Z in this course. So in the next video I will explain you some of the most common phrases used in our daily life in French language. Okay, so till then, learn all these words and please stay in touch, and also do subscribe my channel, and don't forget to write your precious feedback in the comment box. So till then, bye bye, take care.